How to make money selling beats on YouTube. The thing is, you need to keep in mind, you need to create an automatic process. And when you create an automatic process, people will come to your YouTube channel, watch your YouTube video. And when they come to your YouTube channel, let's say this is your YouTube channel. They come to your YouTube channel, watch your video. And the video refer to the product that you create on Coffee page. And they buy the product on a Coffee page, and then you earn money. That's technically it. So what's important, you need to have a YouTube channel, you need to have a Coffee page, but it can also be another marketplace. The reason I'm saying is that you need to have a Coffee page is because I know how it works and it's easy for you to set it up like there. The thing is, you need a license. When people buy your product here, you need to give them a license to use your music. And it's important to have the license because sometimes people use your music for things that you don't like. And you have copyright on the music that you create. Keep that in mind. So you can ask them, hey, I'm going to give you some license. You can buy that license. They can pay you for 1 month, or they can pay you for a year, one-time payment, or membership. Keep that in mind. So if you have a question about it, what you can do is just go on the Discord. The link is in the description. And then you can ask me a question about it. If you're new to this channel, seriously subscribe. Subscribe right now. I hope you like this video. I will see you in the next one.